In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote Clickbank products on TikTok. Now, as you know, I love TikTok. It's one of the primary drivers of me receiving that award that's right behind me. And today I'm going to actually show you 3 different ways that you can start making passive income with Clickbank and TikTok. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll learn how you can receive a free landing page to help you start making passive income with TikTok and Clickbank. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. And if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start an online business, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. As you know, I love TikTok, and the reason why I love TikTok is because you get in front of just about everybody, people that know they have a problem, people that don't know they have a problem, and so you can make very good passive income with people that aren't even thinking about what it is that you're promoting. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find a product over on Clickbank, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways. So let's take a quick look into my profile. I've been able to generate 26,000 followers, have over 145,000 likes. As you can see from the page here, I have my affiliate link. It actually goes to a landing page, but then after they get to the landing page, they can get to the affiliate offer. So let's just scroll down, and what I do in all of my videos, I like to include a hook, story, and offer. A hook is basically getting them in, reeling them in, and getting them interested to watch the entire video. The story is paying off on that hook, and then the offer is a call to action. And the other thing that I like to do to make sure that my potential audience sees and gets familiar with me and my brand is I like to have the hook at the top of my screen. If I just click on this one, I like to have the hook at the top of the screen. The middle of the screen has the payoff, and then the offers at the bottom of the screen. The reason why I like doing this is if they're looking on mobile, when they swipe up, the first thing they see is they see the hook. The middle is the story, and then they see the offer. If they see that offer over and over again, eventually they're going to click on it or navigate to that page to learn more about me, and then I actually get to start generating leads and sales. So how can you do this using Clickbank? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to jump over to clickbank.com and we need to create a free account. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There are tons of different tutorials showing you how to do that, but I'm here in the marketplace, and the marketplace is where you're going to go to find different products to promote. There are tons of products out here to promote. A lot of them aren't very good, but what you can do is you can go and just click the search button here, and it'll return a list of all of the products that are available on Clickbank. What we're going to do is we are going to select Gravity. This is going to show you the most popular affiliate programs or the most popular products that people are using. And so we do have a lot of options here. We could do the custom keto diet. We could do the flat belly fix or flat belly tonic. We could do just about any of these. What we want to do, or what I want to do, is I actually want to do the brain training for dogs because this is a pretty good opportunity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and there's 2 ways to do it. We can go down to Home and Garden, click that triangle there, and then we can go to Animal Care and Pets. And then, as you can see, brain training for dogs, unique dog training. What I always recommend that you do is you do 2 things. You want to open up the sales page to see what they're talking about so that your message is congruent with the offer that they're selling or with the product that they're selling. And you want to open up the affiliate page because the affiliate page has a lot of helpful information. Sometimes the affiliate page will give you a free landing page. Sometimes the affiliate page will give you the target audience, so you can even modify your message to meet that target audience. So what we've done is I've opened up the affiliate page. It has some useful information that we could potentially use. We can always come back to this a little bit later. So it has email swipes, promotional videos. These are all things that we could do. Keyword ideas is going to be huge. I'm going to open this up, and we're going to use this a little bit later. So if we go over to the sales page, as you can see, this is some of the things that they're talking about. You just want to get familiar with their message. As we scroll down here, we're comfortable with this. This is all information that we could potentially use to help us grow a successful TikTok channel. So now that we're comfortable with the brain training for dogs, I'm just going to click on this again, and I'm going to click the promote button. Now, the reason why I want to click the promote is it's going to give us a unique URL called a hop link. We are simply going to enter in our tracking ID. In this instance, it's going to be TikTok, and click on generate hop link. Now, when you click on generate hop link, it's going to give us a unique URL that we're going to share with our customers. When people click on this link and buy the product, we get paid a commission. So I'm just going to slide this over because we want to hold on to this for later. Now it comes time to the different ways that we're going to create content. The first way is the most straightforward way. It's the easiest way. It's probably the best way to do things. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to this keyword list that I opened up a little bit earlier. And let's see, keyword ideas, open that. So here is the keywords list, and it opened up a CSV file. This is good because this is going to help us create content. What we're going to do is we're just going to, let's see, we're going to click on this, and we could create videos out of all of these. Think about it, how to make a dog stop barking. We could actually create 3 different videos. We could do 3 ways to make a dog stop barking, and then within those ways we could explain it. For example, if let's copy this, and we're going to jump over to YouTube, and we're going to paste that in. And as you can see, there are some different options. How to get your dog to stop barking, 7 training tips and tricks. We could create 8 different videos with just this content right here. We could say 3 ways to make your dog stop barking. 1, desensitization. 2, use of commands. 3, removal of offending object. And then we could say something like go to alstongodbolt.com/stop barking now, or click the link in the bio. So that would be our hook story offer. Our hook is going to be 3 ways to get your dog to stop barking. Our story is going to be the 3 ways that we mentioned, and then our offer is going to be that call to action to tell them, hey, click the link in my bio or go to alstongodbolt.com/stop barking to learn how to make your dog stop barking. Or we could do something as simple as 3 ways to make your dog stop barking: desensitization, use of commands, removal of offending objects. Go to alstongodbolt.com/stop barking if you want to make your dog stop barking fast. People that are interested or have a dog that keeps barking are going to be interested in this, and they're going to go to our landing page or our affiliate offer. So the thing is, when you get started with TikTok, you need to have 1,000 followers before you can add this URL. That is why I started adding my link to my landing page on all of my videos. It's not there, of course, but on some of my other videos, as you can see here, alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, when I add that there, people will navigate to that page if you have a compelling enough story and offer. What you need to do before you can get this is to have 1,000 followers, and then you can get this automatically. What I recommend that you do, I recommend that you do 1 of 2 things. You either shorten this URL with Bitly, or you create a redirect like I have. When you click on this link, alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, it actually redirects to my landing page. This landing page is actually created through ClickFunnels. And what I recommend that you guys do, I recommend that you either set up a landing page to collect the email address, or you can send them directly to a BitLink. So let me show you how to set up a BitLink real quick. It's really easy. We're just going to go to bit.ly, and that's going to take us over to Bitly. I recommend that you create a free account. You don't have to do it for this, but if you create a free account, it tracks all of the BitLinks that you've created. If you don't create this free account, you'll have to you have to track your BitLinks in a notepad or something. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to click on create at the top right hand corner. I'm going to paste in that, and then you want to give it a title like dog training or something along those lines. As you can see, it actually created that for me. And then we can put that shortened URL in the bio and in all of our videos. But that's why I actually recommend that you have a redirect. For example, your URL could be like ilovedogtraining.com. When people click on I Love Dog Training, or when they go navigate to I Love Dog Training, it goes to your landing page, or it can go directly to that affiliate offer. So that is the first and most straightforward way to make money with TikTok. You should upload 3 videos per day, and that's it. What I also recommend is that you comment on when someone comments on your videos, go back and do a video comment, because that will help you in multiple ways. 1, the person that made the initial comment will see that you responded, so they'll love that. 2, it's essentially a free video idea so that you don't have to overthink it, and it will help build a community. So this is the easiest way to do it, is to go to Clickbank, find the keywords like we did down here, and simply just make these videos. As I mentioned, there are these videos, these ideas, these keywords can spur actually multiple videos. So that's number 1. That's the most straightforward way. Let's go ahead and get into number 2. The second way that you can start getting traffic on TikTok is using free videos and images from websites like Pexels. Now, Pexels offers royalty-free videos and images that you can use and download. So basically what you'd want to do is you go over to Pexels.com. There's a number of them like Unsplash, Pexels, and so on. And you're just going to type in dog. And what you can do, and there's actually a few different ways that you can do this. So what you can do is you could splice 4 or 5 of these images together. As you can see, Pexels has over 10,000 images that you could splice together using a video or photo editor. And then you could either have just audio in the background, or you could do a voiceover with the different tips that we found, or the different keywords that we found. Another thing that you could do is you could simply just go over to videos. There's over 2,000 videos, and you could just download these videos. You could download them into a website like Canva and then upload them into TikTok that way, or you could just directly upload them into TikTok. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to find a video that is congruent, maybe a dog that's not behaving. You would just click on this download button and it downloads to your computer. What you'd want to do then is you could put it in Canva. So if I jump over to canva.com, canva.com is a free video editing platform. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to canva.com. We're going to type in Pinterest pin because it has the same dimensions, Pinterest pin. And even within Pinterest, you could do videos within Pinterest. So if I do Canva, I'm going to open up this video that we just created, or we just downloaded. All right, so I found the video here, and what we can do is we can just drag and drop this right over here like that. And let's see, we can resize it here. And what we're going to do is we're simply just going to resize this, and then we can add some audio. We can add audio, we can add some video, we can add some text. So I'm just going to go text here, and then we can do something like, dog won't stop barking, make him a good boy fast. We just quickly created this just to give you an idea of what it would look like. Next, what we would do is we click this download button, and then we can download it as an MP4. And the great thing is this is ready to go. This is a 13-second video. If we click play, as you can see, this is what it would look like. The dog is just chewing on grass. But people that are interested in dogs are going to see this, and they're going to be, this hook, story, and offer is subtle, but it's going to work. So what we would do is we would download this to our computer, and then we could upload it right into TikTok. So I'm just going to click download and then jump over to TikTok. You can do this from your phone, or you can do this from a desktop. We would click this cloud button here, upload the video, and then add in some tags. Now when it comes to tags and your caption, you can only have 150 words. So what I recommend when you're first getting started, you want to do a little bit of research to figure out what the popular tags are for your niche. Now, if you are brand new, you have 0 followers, 0 subscribers, you want to find less competitive tags so that you have a fighting chance. It's very much like YouTube in the matter that you don't want to try and compete against major players. What you may want to do, let's say we are in the dog niche, we could say dog training. So as you can see, it says dog training that has 1.9 billion views. That's going to be pretty competitive. Dog training tricks, 82 million. That's going to be less competitive, so that might be a good one. These are all going to be pretty dog training tips. This one's going to be pretty good right here. And dog travel, dog trainer life, 29 million views. So if you're brand new, you want to target things. You want to target hashtags that are 1 million or lower, because that's going to give you an opportunity to get your content, get your videos out there. The other thing when it comes to hashtags, when you use what's called long tail keywords or long tail hashtags, you can still compete for those major keywords or major hashtags, but you're giving yourself a better opportunity to be successful at the lower end. So what we would do, again, we would just upload this, and we want to do this 3 times per day. But as you can see, this is actually really easy. You could actually do all of this on like a Saturday, upload or create 21 of these videos on a Saturday, and then just upload them throughout the week. And it's really easy. Use Pexels. Pexels has 2,000 videos and growing, so you're never going to run out of ideas. Put it into Canva and then download them to your computer. So that's way number 2. Pretty easy. Obviously, you'd probably want to add your affiliate link. We could say go to, let's say, alstongodbolt.com /good dog or something. Good dog. And then I'd probably want to make this a little bit smaller. All right, so go to alstongodbolt.com /good dog, and people that are interested in helping train their dog are going to do this. So this would work. The third way, and the way that's probably not going to work for very much longer, is using a TikTok downloader. So what you do is you'd find different TikToks, you'd put them in this TikTok downloader, download them to your computer, and then you would upload them back into TikTok. The reason why you'd want to do this is that they actually remove the watermark, and so it would come off as your own work. Now, the reason why I think this isn't going to work very much longer is simply because these algorithms are pretty smart. They know when content has been re-uploaded. You'd actually probably have a better chance of duetting different videos that you like, or maybe doing like stitches where you take a section of the video and then it switches over to yours. But if you want to do this way, again, this way is probably not going to work very much longer. You can go over to just Google TikTok downloader, find a TikTok video that you want to download. For example, if we type in dog training, let's see, dog training here. As you can see, there are tons of dogs of TikTok. I would just click on this link here. We could share, we can copy this link over the right-hand corner, jump over to the TikTok video downloader, paste that in, and then download it. Once it downloads, we would click download server. This is gonna download to your computer without the watermark. So as you can see here, without the watermark, and then you can re-upload it. Once you have that to your computer, you would just go back over to, let me close this real quick, just go back over to the cloud here, and then you would re-upload it. You're gonna have more success, you're gonna have better success if you duet these types of videos and maybe have a picture of a dog looking at the other dog doing work. So this is an option. It's not a great option, but people are doing it and having success. Now that you know 3 different ways to promote Clickbank products with TikTok, now it's time for that free bonus. If you comment yes down below, I will send you a landing page for that dog training affiliate program that we just talked about. So go ahead and click yes right now so that you can get access to that free 100% done for you landing page. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start an online business, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Also, watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. And don't forget to check out my blog, alstongodbolt.com, for additional tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.